What's good, y'all? It's your boy Young Tsunami.
Your boy Young Hurricane.
I thought you was 360 Jacob.
No, too basic.
Too basic.
I'm
I'm Young Hurricane and Young Tsunami. Tell them my name.
The Tsunami siblings.
Tsunami siblings, baby. Keep it locked.
I'm pretty sure you guys can tell by the title, but we're gonna show you how to clean your 360 wave brush.
Yeah, cause you know when you drop your brush, fall on the floor, pick up all that lint and that dirt. We finna say I get rid of that today.
The two simple materials you're gonna need for it is a comb and some soap, preferably shampoo.
Shampoo, what this say right here? Pantene. We not sponsored by them, but we is looking for sponsorships. This is a legit style comb. We will be doing a review on the best comb to use, so stay tuned for that.
What you want to do is wet your brush with cold or warm water. If your water is too hot, it'll damage your bristles and soften them up. Alright, so now I'm picking through the layers of the bristles with the end of the lifting style comb. It's helping lift some of the bigger dirt and stuff off of there. Alright, now I'm using the comb. I'm combing through the bristles, like pulling everything out, going deep inside, trying to pull all the small and big dirt. You see most of the stuff coming off. And see, this brush, we told you this brush old. That's just disgusting. I'm just gonna keep getting into it. You gotta keep on combing. Basically, you just want to just comb until you can see the wood of your brush through the bristles. You see, I'm just taking the dirt off each time I go. And then you can switch through combs, go to the end of the comb, and then go back to the teeth of the comb. Just keep on combing through that brush, getting the dirt out. And then you can rinse it out each time when you feel it's necessary. Alright, now I'm washing all the stuff from the top of the bristles off. Now I'm grabbing the shampoo. You can use soap, whatever you like. I squirt a little bit, whatever I feel necessary in there, and then I'm just massaging it through the brush. It's basically like you putting shampoo on your hair, but it's just on your brush. You want to get it deep in there. You want to scratch it in there. Make sure it's getting at the bottom so it's lifting up that dirt and killing some of that dirt off. Alright, now you're letting it sit for 10 minutes. Alright, so now it's been 10 minutes. Right now I'm just letting the sink fill up. I mean, you don't have to do this. I prefer to do this because I feel like it's easier. So yeah, I'm filling the sink up, letting the water fill up so I can dip the brush in, get all the dirt in there. So now I'm going back to combing it with the soap in it, so the soap should lift it up some of the dirt and all that. And so now you're just combing through it, lifting that up, pulling it off the brush. You just keep going till you feel satisfied. Like I said before, you should be able to see the wood through your bristles. So yeah, keep going with the end of the rat tail. Just keep going through it. Just keep on repeating the process. Alright, now you can start to rinse out the soap. Make sure you rinse out all of it, because if you got soap left over, that's going to be bad for your brush and bad for your hair, because it's going to start to dry out your scalp. Alright, you want to start cleaning your combs off. Going to clean the brush off now. It should be fully rinsed off, so now you're just doing your final comb through and all that. You can see the excess hair and all that, the dirt lifting up from the final comb through. Basically, when you feel satisfied that your brush is clean, you want to rinse it all out. You want to wring it all out, rinse it all out. Get the stuff from the top that you pulled off from the bottom off your brush. As you see now, look, you can see the wood through the bristles. The brush is basically clean now. So now I'm drying it off. You're gonna let it dry, and you'll be set.
Follow what we did, and you get a clean brush. Straight like that, cause you know you get that haircut, all them dead hairs in that brush, and drop your brush on the ground. You know, people like to put your brush face down on the table. All that stuff getting in the bottom of your brush. You seen the dirt. You know how it look. That's in your brush right now. So you go in to clean that.
Yeah, so once you can see through your brush,
yeah, you can't see through that one. That's some, you know, my very first wave brush. This the OG right here. But yeah, though, that's that though. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. But before we end it, you already know what time it is.
About that time to rag, y'all. Show y'all what we rocking with. But I'm doing this 12-week wolf. I ain't even keep it up with nothing. Yeah. I'm a little messed up right now.
He usually know how to bounce back. I think he can still bounce back from it.
Of course.
Times is hard right now. And you know, I'm working a lot. I ain't really got time to mess with my head either. So we just finna show y'all what we working with though. Ain't no shame in our game.
At least y'all gonna have some waves in the video.
Exactly. Ready for this, boy? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's what we working with. Hey, ain't too much right now, but look, you know we got this. We the Tsunami siblings, you know. Young hurricane right here, boy. You know, hey, that's the best brush right here. Look at that. It's a real good brush, ain't it? Yeah. Real good brush. But yeah, though, y'all already know how this go. Make sure y'all like,
comment, and subscribe,
man. It's your boys, the Tsunami siblings. It's been real, y'all.
And we out.